Come back to my channel, guys, viewers. Thank you for coming and watching. Let's jump to today our topic. Today our topic is generating a program that, in case you want to build a program that will assign to the your customer that he or she is eligible or not. So let's jump to the program. So first of all, we will get the value of minimum salary. What will be the minimum salary of your customer so he could get the loan? So here in case I am writing 50,000. Okay, 50,000 point zero. So in decimal, so definitely we will use float. So how much experience in the job he must have? So in our case, we have writing 5 years on the job. So let's take input from our customer. So in case salary float for that your convert whatever you retain the value, it will convert into the decimal, enter your annual salary, annual salary, and after that years, write your years. That is definitely in years, numbers, integer numbers. So if salary is greater than or equal to minimum salary, in this case we have minimum salary 50,000, minimum 1,000 or greater than. So so print what you are qualified for the loan. If not, then it will be print you do not qualify for the loan. And in case there is other options, so uh, so other you will write here. This is to complete if else ladder. So here is also, so you do not qualify for the loan. Let's You do not qualify for the loan. Okay, let's run our program and see is it working or not. So first we print our program that here in case we are writing 25 ek do teen, 5,000. Okay, and number of years is 2 or 2. Okay, let's write 5. Okay, so you do not qualify for the loan. So run again. In this case we have okay, 50,000. Okay, and how many years you have? I have 2 years, so you do not qualify. So we will write again. So is here we have writing 50,000 in 5 years. So you can see you qualify for the loan. So this is the simple for your concept clearing for this. So you can make it more complicated for your desired program. So this is for the basic that you can learn basic and make your own program as you want. So thank you. Please write and comments, and please uh, give your feedback. Thank you.